Dear student, welcome to the next class of Understanding Foreign Culture. Conduct networking activities. And today we are going to discuss how to conduct networking activities in Japan, UK, France, Germany and USA. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to explain importance of relationships when working in Japan, UK, France, Germany and USA. Let us start with Japan. The Japanese prefer to do business on the basis of personal relationships. In general, being introduced or recommended by someone who already has a good relationship with the company is extremely helpful, as it allows the Japanese to know how to place you in a hierarchy related to themselves. The Japanese are very conscious of age and status. Everyone has a distinct place in the hierarchy, be it the family unit, the extended family, in social or a business situation. Now we will have a look on the United Kingdom. Many businesses conducted in the West are done through contacts and network in UK. Networking through business clubs, often organized by local newspapers, chambers of commerce, the trade association of your business sector, or organizations such as Federation of Small Businesses or Institute of Directors are some ways of finding new business opportunities and associates. Business entertaining is often used in the UK to develop links with clients and other business contacts. People in UK sometimes prefer to be introduced by a mutual acquaintances, but this may not be possible in certain situations, such as drinks party. In situations, self-introduction will be well appreciated, as everyone else may be in the same situation. Networking is an essential part of modern business. Dear student, please read this comparison between UK and Japan. The next country is France. Relationships for the French supersede the task at hand. By paying attention to building these relationships and showing how much you enjoy being with their groups, you start to make inroads to becoming a part of a French networking community. Many French belong to groups established through family, political, or school ties, which began long before they came to the US. As a result, the best way to approach people at French events is to have someone take you around and introduce you. That way, you will be able to pick up quickly who is who, and people will be able to know who you are as well. Now we will discuss about Germany. The Germans are very private and hold strict separation between private life and work. It therefore takes time to forge more personal relationships in Germany. Business relationships are often based on mutual advantage, with the overall task as the central focus. They are more interested in your academic credentials and the amount of time your company has been in the business. German communication is formal. Following the established protocol is critical to building and maintaining business relationships. As a group, Germans are suspicious of hyperbole, promises that sound too good to be true, or displays of emotions. Germans will be direct to the point of bluntness. Expect a great deal of written communication, both to back up decisions and to maintain a record of decisions and discussions. So our last country will be United States of America. Business people are relatively informal in their interactions, but they value privacy. There is clear separation between business and personal lives. Business discussions are conducted on a professional level and focused on achieving the objective. They are often direct and to the point. The Americans emphasize on personal achievement. Respect is earned through conspicuous achievement rather than through age or background. Time is money in the state. The following general characteristics used to describe Americans can be useful for others trying to work and communicate effectively with Americans. So they are clear, explicit communications, highlighting personal achievement, enjoy debating and stating a specific position in a society determined by one's own achievements, often direct and to the point. Logic and communication skills are important. Separation between business and personal lives, emphasis on the individual, prefers to have things spelled out, values written contractual agreement. So we will finish our lesson here. Hope you have understood well. Thank you so much.